Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today I'm going to show you how to use a string to straighten out some deck boards before you start your installation of your decking. This is a really important and common sense type of step, but I was told that a lot of people that are beginners or they're just getting introduced to deck building may not know this trick. So if you do know it or you don't know it, click that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and we would really appreciate you if you would subscribe to our channel. Okay, so basically what I have here is I have a piece of decking that has a really bad bow in it, okay? And it's gonna be the first deck board that we install in our decking. And if you look down this line, you'll see that this board has a really nasty curve in it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just pin the ends of the board, and we're gonna use a string to pull into that to make sure that this board is straight. If you don't start with a straight board on your first board, the rest of your deck's not gonna be straight either. So it's important that you get the first plank nice and straight, right up against the house, depending on how you lay your deck. Usually we start from the house out. Sometimes when we have a frame already pre-framed, we'll start from the house in. It always looks better to have a rip board against the house than it does on the outside of the deck. Little tip for you guys, okay? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to clamp this board on this edge, and I'm also going to put a little slip knot in this edge, and I'm gonna put it over this board like so, and then I'm gonna bring it back around this corner, and you'll see what I'm getting at here in a minute. Okay, there it is. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put the clamp on. Okay, I'm gonna run this down like this. Just for giggles, I'm gonna clamp this side down like this, and then I'm gonna take your string. Now, if you don't make your string tight, this isn't gonna work for you, okay? You can come down in the middle here. Okay, just to be fair, I don't even want the thickness of the string to impede what we're doing here. So I'm going to actually run the string on the inside of this so that it's touching the corner when I tighten this all down. So that's snug, that's snug, that's snug. Okay, let's just assume this clamp is actually, the board is screwed down, maybe pinned right here. All right, the string, as you see, is on the inside of this slip knot. So I'm telling you right now that this board has a curve in it. Now I've got my string that's really super tight, and I'm gonna bring it to this outside corner. Now you can see how much, there's a 1/4 inch variance in the center of this board, okay? So that's unacceptable. So now we're assuming both ends are pinned. All I gotta do is pull this board to the string, like that. Now I know I have a nice straight deck board that I can start building my deck off of. All right, and that's how we start every job building these really amazing decks, is by using a $5 spool of this to make sure we have a straight board. All right, guys, I hope that helps somebody. If this video really did help you out, or if you're just getting started, or maybe you don't even build decks, you just like to watch the content, don't forget to leave a comment below. But before you do, make sure you click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. And don't forget to leave us a comment below, guys. Thanks for coming to our channel and watching. Have a great day.